Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and I'm so excited about a new series of videos that I have for you on my YouTube channel, available to everybody. So share the word to let people know I am starting a Find Your Creativity series. It's going to be geared towards very, very basic stamping and then building up to fancy stamping. Each week we will create different projects and build on our stamping skills. We will learn about the supplies that we use. We're going to start out really basic this week, but I think even the most seasoned crafters are going to enjoy this series. We're going to learn all about our products along the way, what the different types of ink are, what the different tools in our craft are for and how they're used and what they're all about. And best of all, I'm going to teach you how to be creative, how to enjoy my favorite and most passionate topic, which is rubber stamping. I love to stamp, and I hope that you can see that in my videos. We're going to have so much fun creating, and I think that you're going to learn a lot along the way. So whether you've never stamped before and you're looking for a fun new hobby, or you've been around the block a year or two, or three. I am excited to share all kinds of fun and creative ways to enjoy stamping and have fun and share your passion with others. So, are you ready to get started? I can't wait. Thank you again so much for being here with me to share my passion for stamping with you. I think you are going to love this series. We are going to build on our projects each week and create more, learn more. And for those of you who are new to stamping, you're going to love all the fun things we do. Those of you who've been around, I think you're going to love getting back to the basics and kind of just continuing to build each week. So our first project that we're going to create is a really simple but super easy card using just stamps, ink, and paper. So I'm going to focus on the Banner Year stamp set. I love this set because it's a really great set for beginning stamping. And if you are like me and you've been stamping a long time, I've had a lot of fun playing with this set. So I think you're going to like it. I created several cards with this, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. We'll also talk about color, a little bit about design, and keeping it simple. My favorite thing about making cards is sharing fun things that I created with people who I love. And I think they also appreciate getting something handmade in the mail. And I love card making because it is just that quick, instant gratification. I also am a knitter, and let me tell you, that is not nearly as instant gratification. It takes forever to make something that you knit. So that's one of my favorite things about card making. Okay, so this Banner Year stamp set is just so cute. It's a photopolymer stamp set, which means that the stamps are made out of photopolymer. It's this clear material, and you will need blocks. For this set, I recommend 2 to 3 blocks. The cards I'm going to make are going to use these 2 blocks, an A block and a G block. And then if you would also like this size block is a B block. It's a little bit bigger, and a few of the images on here are a little bigger and need this size block. The best part is the blocks are interchangeable, so you can just pull off one image and replace it with a different image. So that's pretty easy. Now, when I also create, in order to change colors, I'm going to need something to clean my stamps off. So that's kind of another basic tool. I love Stampin' Up's chamois. I'll show you mine. It's pretty well loved. I have several of these actually just because I stamp a lot, but this is just a wet chamois. It's kind of thick, and I keep it inside this clear stamp case. It's the same cases that our stamp sets come in. And what's great about that is it stays moist inside. I know I said moist, sorry. And then you can just clean your stamps with water. That's it. And you're ready to go. That's what I use to clean the majority of my stamping messes with. So it's really great. Okay, so I am going to be using some of our basic white note cards and envelopes. They come in a package of 20, and they are pre-scored. And they are perfect for mailing a fun little gift or card to somebody. They will fit a gift card, by the way, which is great. And they like I said, they come pre-scored, so you don't have to do anything except fold it in half. Personally, I like to use a bone folder, which is just a cool tool that helps you give a good crease to your projects. Okay, so and I do use my bone folder like pretty much on every single card that I make. Now I am going to use a pretty fun color combination. And one of the fun things about stamping is playing with color. I love to play with color. And I've got a great color combination for you. Pear Pizzazz, Pool Party, Bermuda Bay, Cajun Craze, and Early Espresso. And what I love about this color combination is it's so great for fall, but I'm going to show you how you can use it on lots of other things as well. Now to start, I'm going to use the Early Espresso ink pad. And our ink pads are kind of like compacts. You open them up and then slide them back. And I'm going to take my sentiment, in this case, Happy Thanksgiving, and just stamp that close to the bottom. And what I love is you can see through that clear block, so you know exactly where you're stamping, which is really handy, especially if you're just getting started. Okay. Next, I'm going to use 3 colors for the pumpkins. And I don't know if you've noticed out there that colors of aqua pumpkins are really popular in home decor. And then, of course, we're going to bring in kind of a rusty color, a rusty pumpkin color as well. And they look great together. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pumpkin stamp 3 times with 3 different colors of ink. So I'm going to start with... this is Cajun Craze. And so I just stamped that down. But now I've got Cajun Craze ink on my stamp, so I want to clean that off. So I'll just rub it on my chamois, and that cleans everything really nicely. So now I can use my next color. I'm going to use Pool Party and put my pumpkin over here. The reason I'm doing that is because I can do my 3rd pumpkin in the center, and then I can kind of evenly space the 3 out. So if I just did them in a row, sometimes they're not completely even. So I like to be able to make them nice and even that way. Okay, so I'm going to clean that off, and then we'll pull in our Bermuda Bay. Bermuda Bay is one of my favorite colors and is perfect for this card. So there are my 3 pumpkins. Now they kind of look like blobs right now, but when we add the stem in some Pear Pizzazz ink, this is going to be perfect. So there again, I love that I can see where I'm stamping because my stamps are clear. And then I can position that little stem exactly where I want it. Isn't that just the sweetest card? So you can send this to somebody and brighten their day. You can even stamp on the inside. So I can just do one more pumpkin and stem combo for the inside of my card. And this looks awesome. Now everything is better with a coordinating envelope. So I'm going to take my flap of my envelope, and I like to use grid paper. This is just like little stamping surface. I'm going to slip my envelope flap in here like so, and then we're going to go ahead and stamp some pumpkins on here. And since my stamp is on Bermuda, I will use that color first, and I'll do one more up here. Then I'm going to clean once again. I'll stamp with Cajun Craze like so, and leave a little bit of room so I can do my Pool Party pumpkins as well. Ooh, I did not clean that off all the way. No worries. Okay. Now I'm going to add my little leaves on all of these. And this just creates the cutest little envelope flap to kind of give the recipient an idea of what to expect when they open up that card. I'm going to throw one more there and there. Okay. So here is the flap of my envelope with the coordinating card, and how fun is that? Now, I didn't do just one design. I took those same exact colors and created some more cards. So I've got this one with a grateful heart, same exact concept. I also did a little fall card, happy fall y'all, which I love. To get this lighter shade here, I stamped off the early espresso ink, so that's really simple. Then I added in some additional colors of ink, so those are just with the colors I was using, but then I did a few more with some different colors of ink. Here's a Be Merry card for Christmas, a Happy Haunting for Halloween. Look at this, Guess Who Loves You? And this might be my favorite because it's just so dang cute. Christmas Wishes. So I love how fun it is to create such simple, easy cards with just stamp, ink, and paper. I hope that you're going to come back every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Central and check out my video tutorial for you. Each week, I have new and fun creations to share with you. Now, if you would love to get some of the supplies to make this card, or the set of cards, I've listed all the supplies that I've used both on my blog post and in the description of this video. There's links to my online store. There's great perks for shopping with me as a demonstrator. I have a great VIP rewards program that I would love to have you be a part of. And I do send free gifts with purchases of $50 or more. Of course, if you are ready to embark on this awesome card making journey, I would love to have you sign up for the best deal that we offer, which is our Stampin' Up! Starter Kit. It's a great value. You can choose $125 in merchandise, your choice, for only $99 plus tax. The shipping is even free. So it's a great option for you to get an amazing deal on our products. And then if you would like to continue to purchase items at a discount, you can. Otherwise, there's no obligation. Now, if you have any questions about any of the projects that I created today, or would like to see photos of all these fun projects, please make sure and click on the link in the description of this video for the link to my blog post, as well as subscribe to my channel. There's a little button right here, and that way you won't miss any of these awesome videos. Thank you so much for stamping with me today, friends. I hope you are inspired to have fun and get creative. Thank you. Bye.